delighted to announce the category of Browne Jacobson Award for Excellence in Employee Engagement. And the nominations are Flourishing in Adversity, the Alderhay Children's Hospital; No Decision, About Me, Without Me, a response to enhance employee engagement; University Hospitals, North Midlands NHS Trust; and last but by no means least, the Nightingales Hospital, London. So let's hear some more about them.
Hi, my name's Jo Potier.
And I'm Sarah Robertson.
And we're clinical psychologists working in organisational development and staff support at Alderhay. We wanted to highlight our work bringing psychological theory to develop a deeper, compassion-focused understanding of the emotional aspects of staff engagement.
We've been drawing on the power of storytelling in team time to promote healing, developing our leaders through Strong Foundations leadership programmes, and using ground truth as a digital mechanism to share learning and boost coping within individuals, whilst providing a safety net for all through our staff advice liaison service.
Through this work, we've seen incredible systemic changes, such as 78% of our staff recommending Alderhay as a place to work, putting us in the top 10 most improved trust in the staff survey last year. More importantly, though, we've seen all this work support a culture where it really is okay not to be okay, in an environment where staff can flourish.
We're keen to keep learning with a view to sharing what works so that we can all benefit within the NHS.
Winter 2020 was always going to be a challenge. In the first wave of COVID-19, we adopted a top-down approach to medical redeployment, but reflection in summer 2020 led us to believe that a different, co-creative approach was required. We used the words "no decisions about me, without me" as a touchstone. Our project was simple, and from September 2020 we invited all trainees in our hospitals, the University Hospitals of the North Midlands, to meet for an hour in the early evening once a week. In the first month, really, we just listened to each other, to what things felt like on the ground, what people's fears were, and how different clinical areas were coping. After a couple of weeks, confidence built, and we were able to agree some principles for redeployment and make co-creative decisions. This led to an increase in confidence and morale for everyone involved. We were able to limit redeployments to just 12% of our workforce, and we did not have to cancel any leave whatsoever. We also got engagement from our trust board and were able to secure 24/7 food for our staff. We've had a culture shift in the organisation, and we plan to use the co-creative approach going forwards.
Back in March 2020, I was part of a much bigger workforce team working alongside Barts Health to support the setup and rapid mobilisation of a workforce to deliver critical care for London at the Nightingale XL. The challenge was to ensure high levels of support, wellbeing and engagement from day one to a workforce that had never met each other or worked together before.
We pulled together a team of NHS graduate trainees, airline staff and colleagues from the NHS and beyond to engage and support the wellbeing of our workforce. This included having a clear vision, Save Lives for London, a flat hierarchy, a fast feedback loop and psychological and physical wellbeing support in place to support staff.
In terms of outcomes, in the exit interviews for all Nightingale workers, 91% said that they would return to the hospital. And looking into the future, the Nightingale has ensured invaluable learning around rapid mobilisation with high levels of staff engagement around the whole of the NHS.
Browne Jacobson are delighted to be sponsoring the award for excellence in employee engagement, particularly in a year where, following the global pandemic, engagement with staff is all important. The judges felt all of the shortlisted entries were extremely strong, but for us the winning nomination has huge potential for other trusts to benefit from the great and fantastic work of this team. And so the winner is Alderhay Children's Hospital NHS Trust. Congratulations.